am on the ZX10. I brought it out like I said I would. And if you haven't already noticed, I am also in full gear for once. This is an actual like armored riding jacket. And I have on armored jeans as well. The padded ones. They're from NBT Clothing, which I do in fact have a discount code for if you'd like to use it. It's in the description. But the reason I'm wearing full gear, even though it's in the 60s, is because of the video I plan on making today, which I am in fact a little nervous for, but hopefully everything goes well. But I'm going to be taking the ZX10 to a little stretch of highway, and we're going to try to push it a little bit. Emphasis on a little bit. It's still in low power mode. I'm not going to up that. I'm trying to be somewhat smart about this. But basically I just want to get like a new top speed record on it, like personal top speed record, not world or anything. So I wanted to just kind of see, just get a little bit of a better idea of what kind of power we're working with. So that's why I put on full gear, just to be safe. And it's very early compared to my normal riding time. It's only 3 o'clock. That clock's wrong because daylight savings time happened. I never changed it because this is the first time I've been on this bike in like probably a month or more. So it's been a while. I would say over a month actually. I just realized that, but yeah, haven't been on this bike in a minute, so the clock's wrong. But it's like 3 o'clock because it gets dark at 5 now, and I wanted to do this before it gets dark, which means unfortunately I'm gonna have to deal with some traffic. With how warm it still is, even though it's in November, I'm gonna have way more videos stockpiled sorry, for over the winter than I expected to, which isn't exactly a bad thing, but it just means it's going to be further it's going to be further into the year than I thought, until I have like videos that aren't way ahead of time, if that makes sense. So like I might start riding again the end of March, early April, but I'll still have videos up until like the end of April, so it won't be until May that you see from next riding season. Like I said, not really a bad thing. I just was trying to kind of avoid that, because like when I started next riding season, I wanted it to be pretty fresh and not like a 3 or 4 week old video. But we'll see what happens. If anything, I might just wait until longer to start riding, give the roads more time to like get all the salt and stuff off, all the salt and gravel that gets put on because of the snow plows, so it'd be safer if anything. If I want to ask them if like anybody bullies her at all, because if they do, I'd love to have a word with them. I would gladly get on that school bus to talk to them. Be like, hey, so heard you think it's okay to make fun of people? Just want to have a little chat. Obviously, I'm not going to hit a kid, but I would like to talk to him. Hopefully, they treat her like anybody else and show her respect. I finally made it to the 2 lanes I was talking about, where we can finally get to open this up. Ooh, perfect, green light. I just gotta pick which area I feel like doing it in, because obviously I don't want to go past a cop at 1:30. It's not going to be a good look.